नमस्ते पेरिवा शरणम श्रुतिस्मृति पुराणानाम आलयम करुणालयम नमामि भगवत्पाद शंकरम लोकशंकरम अपार करुणा सिंधुम ज्ञानदम शांतरूपिणम श्री चंद्रशेखर गुरुम प्रणमामि मुदान्वहम्. On behalf of Kanchi Periva Forum, I welcome you all to this new service, Voice of Periva. Now we'll take a few minutes to introduce this service and the organization behind it today, because today is a very special occasion. It is Sri Mahaperiva's Jayanti, his birth anniversary. So on this very special day, it will be a blessing for us to spend a few minutes in his thoughts. So we'll start with that. For those who have not known Sri Mahaperiva in detail, at least, let's start with this. Sri Mahaswami or Sri Mahaperiva, he is called by very many different names. People refer to him as Paramacharya or the Walking God or Kanchi Mahaswami or simply as Periva. That in Tamil means an elder one, a respectable elder person. That's called Periva. However, this word Periva has become so much of a very special fit for Sri Mahaswami that a lot of people, Tamil speaking people, when we say the word Periva, we automatically refer it back only to Mahaswami. So that's the kind of life that he led and the kind of an example he set for all of us to follow. So he has been the illustrious leader for people of our generation and for the future generations too, because that is the kind of knowledge that he had and which he has left for us in the form of divine messages and spiritual teachings, which is all captured in volumes of books called Devathin Kural. This is all written in Tamil. So the whole purpose of starting this Voice of Periva is to get these messages translated into small snippets in English and present them to you through this new channel. Why did this start? Why did we have to do this? The reason is simple. Kanchi Periva Forum has been in operation for the last 10 years. We started back in 2011, and from then on, we have been slowly expanding into different forms of service in the name of Mahaswami. So we started off with doing only the monthly Anusham Puja, and then we started this thing called Periva Kural, which is a service on Telegram that it started with, and then we started expanding it to WhatsApp based on request of many devotees. So what do we do there? We send the teachings of Mahaswami and his photo, video, a lot of different variety of content, all related to Mahaswami only. We send it through the Periva Kural service. That's where it all started. And then we also started setting up a stream of service for bhajans on Mahaswami. So we have formed a group of volunteers called Kanchi Periva Forum Bhajans Group. And this is a group of volunteers who spend a lot of time to specifically train themselves on songs of Mahaswami and perform them in various places throughout the country. So that is another initiative which started off with the Kanchi Periva Forum. And then one of the early initiatives that we did was to compile a lot of photos, old photographs of Mahaswami. So at one point back in time, we collected about 2000 different photos and published it through our Periva Forum, which was a discussion forum that we launched back in 2011. Even today, a lot of people get back to those collection of 2000 photos and still find a lot of blessings coming out of that album even today. And then came a time when we were able to put our hands on some video footage of Mahaswami. So that was an interesting experience in itself. Maybe sometime in the future, we will share that with you as to how this video footage came into our hands and what happened to it later, etc. But enough said now that this was like a real rare footage of Mahaswami showing his movement in action, which was never thought of for a lot of people of my generation basically. So we were blessed to see him in action through this video footage. So we collated a lot of it and published a series of songs with his footage also compiled together. That's called Periva Divya Darshan. So that song is completely in Tamil, but it narrates the moments of Mahaswami right from early first thing in the morning till he retires at the end of the day. So that kind of a video footage was compiled and presented by Kanchi Periva Forum. Maybe sometime in the future, with his grace, we will also try to bring translation of that song in English so that you are also able to enjoy that song. So we started with photos, videos, and then a discussion forum, which was the Kanchi Periva Forum. That was the first step that we started with. And then came bhajans. And then the next step was to do the monthly Anusham Pujas at a slightly larger scale, because a lot more people got attached to the forum. We had more volunteering coming in. So we started celebrating monthly Anusham Puja in a kind of a larger scale in Chennai at Abhiramapuram. And then it expanded to the next levels. We started celebrating his birth anniversary and his Aradhana, the Siddhi day, in much more grand scale. And this started happening probably from 2014 or 15 onwards. So we have hundreds of people, in fact thousands of people who join us every year for these occasions, including people who fly in from other countries specifically to take part in this, because we do it like a yajna. We usually have 108 days Parayanam upfront before the Jayanti day or before the Aradhana day. People chant certain shlokas for Lokakshema, and then we finally submit it in front of Mahaswami on his Jayanti day or the Aradhana day, as the case may be. So these are all various functions and various services of Kanchi Periva Forum over the years. And we discovered through these services that there are a lot more people who are non-native Tamil speaking community, but who wanted to know more about Mahaswami. They also want to get his blessings. They also want to understand his teachings and follow them sincerely, but they do not have access to the underlying body of treasure, which is called Devathin Kural, because it was all in Tamil. And hence, we had requests from a lot of people who were asking us, you are publishing so many teachings in Tamil only in Periva Kural. How do I make sense out of it? Is there a way out? Please show us some way. And so we were contemplating on it, and finally came this thought to start a new service which will be all in English only, and where we will share a lot of content just similar to Periva Kural. We will share a lot of such content to you in this channel only in English, so that one, you can understand very well and digest it, and also spread the word, spread his messages to others around you who can follow only English. So that's the whole intent of this Voice of Periva. And let me just clarify, this service of Kanchi Periva Forum, like every other service we have been doing in the past, is absolutely free of cost. There is no commercial element to it, never a commercial element in whatever we have been doing so far, just for the record. And we in fact do run a Dharma Kainkariam initiative, which is a monthly initiative where we identify worthy, deserving beneficiaries and support them through activities of the forum. But otherwise, any of our services, we don't take any donations. So this is intended and will always be maintained as a free service only. So feel free to invite and add in any of your friends, relatives, colleagues, irrespective of any caste, creed, etc. Everyone can stand to get benefited by understanding the teachings of Mahaswami. So that's the whole purpose of this new initiative, and we are launching it on this very special day. Today is Mahaperiva's birth anniversary. We call it Mahaperiva's Jayanti, Anusha Jayanti or Maha Jayanti. So on this special day, the blessed occasion, we dedicate this as our submission, a humble offering at the divine feet of Mahaswami, and pray that his blessings be on all of us, and that this initiative should find its roots and should expand to a much larger population, so that everybody across the world can get his blessings and can be in peace. So today we will start the first episode with a wonderful song, Maitrim Bhajata, that contains a summary or essence of Mahaswami's teachings for the entire world. This was performed at the UN stage by Bharat Ratna Dr. M.S. Subbulakshmi, and the message or the underlying theme of the whole song is to celebrate friendship. Maitrim Bhajata. There is a good amount of story and experience around this song, the making of this song, and the core of Vedantic principles which underlie the simple lines that were given by Sri Mahaswami. So we will get to learn about it the next time when we meet very soon. But today, stay back and enjoy this wonderful song that's coming through, compiled with very special video footage of Mahaswami as a special treat for you on this blessed occasion. We will meet up soon again. Until then, Namaste, Periyava Sharanam.
मैत्रीं भजत अखिल हृदयत्रीं, मैत्रीं भजत अखिल हृदयत्रीं, मैत्रीं भजत अखिल हृदयत्रीं, आत्मवदेव परानपि पश्यत, आत्मवदेव परानपि पश्यत, युद्धं त्यजत स्पर्धां त्यजत, युद्धं त्यजत स्पर्धां त्यजत, त्यजत परेष्वक्रममाक्रमणं, त्यजत परेष्वक्रममाक्रमणं, मैत्रीं भजत अखिल हृदयत्रीं, मैत्रीं भजत अखिल हृदयत्रीं, जननी पृथ्वी कामदुघास्ते, जननी पृथ्वी कामदुघास्ते, जनको देवः सकल दयालुः, जनको देवः सकल दयालुः, धाम्यत दत्त दयध्वं जनता, धाम्यत दत्त दयध्वं जनता, श्रेयो भूयात् सकल जनानां, श्रेयो भूयात् सकल जनानां, श्रेयो भूयात् सकल जनानां।